Very good morning, students, and welcome to another online mathematics class. I'm going to discuss about another part of square root, that is exercise 3.2. So let's start. What is prime number? Because in this video, we are going to start the square root with prime factorization methods. So before starting this, you have to know what are prime numbers. A prime number is a whole number greater than 1 whose only factors are itself and 1. For example, 7 is equal to 1 into 7. So 7 and 1 are the only factors of 7. So 7 is a prime number. Now obviously you have to know about composite numbers also, so that you can understand the difference in between these two types of numbers. So a composite number is a whole number greater than 1 that has more than 2 factors. For example, 8 is equal to 1 into 8, or else you can write 8 is equal to 2 into 4. So 1, 2, 4 and 8 are factors of 8. So 8 is a composite number. The number 1 is neither prime nor composite, since its only factor is 1. That is, 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So prime factorization involves writing a number as the product of prime numbers. One way to do this is to create a factor free. For example, write the prime factorization of 28. So you know 4 sevens are 28. But 4 is equal to, you can say, 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 into 7 are the prime factors of 28. Okay. So use exponents to express prime factorization in simplest form. For example, here 2 times 2 is there. So that's why they have written 2 to the power 2. Instead of that, by simple multiplication also you can write. That is also acceptable here. That is 2 into 2 into 7 is equal to 28. This is also correct.
Very good morning to class 8 students. Today we are going to start exercise 3.2. In previous video we have done exercise 3.1. Okay. And that was about finding out the square. And this exercise is about to find out the square root. Okay. So let's start. Exercise 3.2, page number 41, question number 1a. Find the square root of the following by prime factorization method. Okay. So first one is 7 to 9. See, I have done this method. Obviously I have to follow because this method is called prime factorization method. Before starting this method, one thing I want to make you clear. This method implies some rules. First rule is, that is, always when we divide this number, that means maybe this number is divisible by 3, 9, like this. But please try to start with the least prime number by which this number is divisible. Obviously, hope so you have understood. So that's why I have divided it by 3, because prime one you have to choose. Please be careful. These are all the prime factors. You know what is actually prime numbers. I don't know whether you knew this or not. I am repeating it again. Prime number is a number that is divisible by 1 and that number itself. Okay. So if we by prime factorization method, that means you have to start this with prime number always. So by 3 I have divided it. How I have understood by 3? You know the method. 7 plus 2 9 and 9 plus 9 18. So it will be divisible by 3. By 3 when you will divide this, it will come 2 4 3. After that again by 3 81. By 3 27. By 3 9. By 3 3 and by 3 1. After that we will give this square root sign. This is called square root sign. Okay. So root over, it is calling actually root over. So root over 729 is equal to, after giving this root over sign, you will write down all the prime factors by giving multiplication sign in between them. So equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 1 no need to write. Okay. So now in the next step we will not give the square root. That means for 2 3, instead of 2 3 means pairing wise, you will take 1 3. For next pair of 3 you will take 1 3. For next pair of 3 you will take another 3. Okay. So if you will multiply, it is coming 3 into 3 into 3, that means 27, and this is the answer. That means 27 is the square root of 729. Now next sum. Next sum is 1444. Like this, by 2 we have divided it. It is coming 722. Again by 2, so it is coming 361. You may check it, but I have checked this, that's why I am telling it is divisible by 19. So 19 into 19, again 9 by 19, it is coming 1. So after giving square root sign, we will give 1444 equal to root over sign. Under this root over sign, 2 into 2 into 19 into 19 equal to, when you, if you will not give, in the next step we will not give the square root sign. So instead of that, we will write 2 into 19. Why 2 into 19 we will write? Because for 2, 1 2 we will write, for 2 19 we will write 119. So it is coming 2 into 19, that means 38 answer. Now the next sum, 1764. 1764 divided by 2, it's coming 882. Again by 2, it's coming 441. Again by 3, because 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9. So by 3 it is coming 147. Again by 3 it is coming 49. Again by 7 into 7. And 7 sevens are 49, and by 7 is coming 1. So root over 1764 is equal to root over of 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. In the next step we will not give the root over sign. Instead of that we will write, instead of 2 2 we will write 1 2. Instead of 2 3 we will write 1 3. Instead of 2 7 we will write 1 7. So it will come 3 2s are 6, 6 7s are 42. So 42 is the root over of the 1764, and this is the answer. And here 38 is the root over of 1444, and this is the answer. Hope so you have understood this process. Please maintain this rule of prime factorization.
So students, here are some rules that how to do this square root. In 3 steps, I have divided these rules. Hope so you will understand better. So square root of perfect square by prime factorization method. See, step 1. Find the prime factors of the given number. Step 2. Make pairs of similar factors. Step 3. The product of prime factors after taking one factor out of every pair will give the square root of the given number.
So students, we are continuing exercise 3.2. 3.2, sum number D, that is 2025. Here again by 3, by 5 I have not divided because I told you by least prime numbers. means 45 is the square root of 2025. Now next sum, that is 2500. By 2 it is coming 1250. By 2 it is coming 625. Again by 5 it is coming 125. Again by 5 it is coming 25. Again by 5 it is coming 5. And by 5 it is coming 1. So, root over 2500 is equal to root over of 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. If we will not write down the root over in the next step, so obviously we will take 1 2 for this 2, 1 5 instead of this 2 5, and another 1 5 instead of this 2 5. So if we multiply, it will come 50. So 50 is the root over of 2500. Now the next sum, number F. 3136. By 2 it is coming 1568. By 2 it is coming 784. Again by 2 it is coming 392. Again by 2 it is coming 196. By 2 98. By 2 49. By 7 7 sevens are 49. 7 ones are 7. So root over of 3136 is equal to under the root we will write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. That means for 1 2 without root over we will write for this 2 instead of this 2 you will take 1 2. Again instead of this 2 you will take 1 2. Instead of this 2 you will take 1 2. And instead of this 2 7 you will take 1 7. After multiplying it will come 56. That means 56 is the root over of 3136. Now, number 1G. 3969. By 3 is coming 1323. Again by 3 it is coming 441. Again by 3 it is coming 147. Again by 3 it is coming 49. By 7 7. By 7 1. So root over of 3969 is equal to root over of 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. In the next step we will write without root over 3 into 3 into 7. 3 for this 2 3. Again 3 for this 2 3. And again 7 for this 2 7. If we multiply this it is coming 63. So 63 is the root over of 3969. Now next sum, that is 1H. 4761. Divided by 3 it is coming 1587. Again divided by 3 it is coming 529. By this 5 to 9 is not divisible by any number except 23. So that's why 23 into 23, 529 is coming. By 23 it is coming 1. So square root of 4761 equal to root over of means under the root 3 into 3 into 23 into 23 equal to 3 for this 2 3, 23 for this 2 23. So 3 into 23 will multiply, it will come 69. That means 69 is the root over of 4761. Okay?
Students, do the sums in your mathematics exercise book. For any doubts or queries, please email me at shudeshna1.sma@outlook.com. Even you need to send your mathematics homework in this given email ID. We also welcome your responses by way of your views and feedback on the videos or PPTs at feedback.stmichaelsacademy@gmail.com. Thank you, students, and have a nice day.